Hi guys, good. I want to say good afternoon, but I don't know what time you're watching me. But yeah, good day. I say it's Carol. It's Saturday, the 17th of December. You guys, Christmas is coming. So it's Saturday, and I just want to start this vlog. So this vlog is supposed to be like a mini maintenance kind of vlog. Tomorrow is Carol. Why are you looking at me? Tomorrow is Carol service in my church, right? So I just wanted to take care of myself a little bit. I'll be going to get my, is this manicure or is pedicure? I'm going to get a pedicure done, see, for the first time in my life. I've never done this before, but my feet feels really soft too. For a person who has not done this before, I feel like my feet feels really soft for a person who has never done manicure before. But yeah, I'm going to get it done because I feel like it is high time. Okay, I'm beginning to feel a hardness in that area, and I feel like it's long overdue. So I'll be going with Mr. O because he's going to have his hair cut, and in the barber shop where he does his hair, they usually do a manicure. So that's what I'll be doing over there. I don't know if they do nails because I intend to do my nails today as well. If they don't, then I'll also find a place around that area to get my nails done. This nails is gonna serve me for like this whole festive season, Christmas, New Year, and everything. So I have to do like, is it powder they call it? Yeah, those, I can't remember the name, but that's the kind of nails I'll be going for. Something really fine. I'm torn between doing red nails and doing like, those neutral nude kind of shades, but I shall want something very fine, long. It's been a long time since I had long nails done, so I'm going to have a long nails done this time around. And what else? Yeah, and then I'll come back home. It's currently 2. Yeah, I'd have to go and come back and get my hair done. I'll be doing my hair myself because I was supposed to do braids, so the plan was to do braids yesterday, but the salon where I intend to get the braids done, according to Mano, is the best with braids in this area. So I did not have an appointment until Monday for me, so I will not be doing my braids until on Monday. However, I'm not going to wear this wig for Carol. I'm going to change my hairstyle. I'm thinking I should do like a ponytail with a wavy kind of extension. I think I still have one pack of hair that I've not used in the house, so I'll see if I should do a ponytail with the extension, or like do like a half up half down kind of style. If it's full enough, if the one pack will be full enough to do a half up half down style, by this time tomorrow you see me with a half up half down. But if it's not enough, I guess I'll just have to do like a normal low back ponytail hairstyle, or I'll do a braided ponytail. I don't know if I might do a braided ponytail, the one that stays up here, the top one, or the one that is, honestly guys, I'm not sure, but by the time I go and come back I'll be sure of what I'm doing. Anyways, today's video I never even did upload them, and it's already 2. I'm still editing, and that video is supposed to go up by 6, so there's no way it can go up by 6 because I'm still editing. I've not uploaded, I've not optimized. So if not 8 o'clock today PM, that video will go up. It must go up today. I was not able to edit last night because I went for a video. I got back this morning at 7. I had to sleep, and I woke at 12, and I've been editing since then. I'm not done yet, so yeah, you guys, I'll see you guys very soon.
grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I will run away, I don't have to plan it. I can go, change my fate, you won't understand it. All alone, that's okay, people I can't stand them. They don't want me to change, keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am, and I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me. Tell me what you want, what you need. Tell me, tell me, tell me.
I grew up in a place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings, but success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down.
You guys, so I'm back home, very tired and hungry. Oh my god, this is past 7 p.m. and see, I could not do my nails. I could not do my nails. I was only able to do my pedicure, and I did paint my toenails, as you guys have seen, right? I'm just going to get something to eat now, and see, I'm going to sleep because I still feel like I need to rest some more. I'm not going to be making my hair tonight. I couldn't buy the hair gel. I looked for it in Spa. I was in Spa. Okay, so the salon, is it the salon? Yeah, the salon where I got my pedicure done, and where Mr. O also cut his hair, is in Suliri, right? So I went to ShopRite Suliri and also Spa Suliri to look for gel for my hair. I could not find. Then I also looked for extension. I wanted to buy, like Darling or Expression black braiding hair to do a ponytail with. I could not find. What I saw there was Lush, and it was blonde, very very bright blonde. That's not what I want. I wanted black. So I couldn't get it there. Just got back home. See, I just got back home. I'll see you guys tomorrow, honestly, because I just want to eat, have my shower, and just rest. Okay, because tomorrow is going to be a busy day. By the way, tomorrow is Carol. I'll see you guys pretty soon, guys. I need to rest. I need to sleep. Hi guys. So it's fast forward to Sunday evening and it's currently 5 p.m. Hi guys, my makeup is cut off. My makeup has dried since morning, since 5 a.m. So yeah, it's currently 5 p.m. and I'm still in church. You guys, can you believe that? I've been here since morning and it's currently 5 p.m. So this morning was Carol. A vlog about that is up on my channel, about how Carol service went in this part of the world. Okay, you guys check it out. It's fun. Okay, so yeah, I'm in church up until now because the National Cup, is it National Cup? World Cup, I mean to say. So the World Cup final is being aired in church and the barbecue is going to be served. I'm not really a football fan, right? So I'm here for the barbecue. I shall not be shy. I'm here for the food. Anyways, this is halftime and halftime is over. Argentina 2. What's that happening? France 0. As you guys already know. I'm just going to go back inside and see if they started sharing the barbecue. But honestly, that's what I'm here for. Not the first time I'm for. It's been exciting though. Like there is a lot of people here and the ambience beautiful. So I've been having a good time, even though I'm not a ball person, but I've been having a fantastic time. It makes sense. It makes sense. All right, I'll see you guys inside.
Take this slowing. That'll be nicely. I'm all set for the third here. There will be more chances like this. Just doing enough not to give away the penalty. Their territory. Now their first change. The whole team arena has done.
And this guy is trying.
And the damage he has done during an hour and a little bit. That's why.
Can you imagine? Look at your friends leaders.
Top round three, and
You know Argentina is going to win the other extra time. Make some noise! Okay. If you know France is going to turn again the captivity of Sarah. Wow, this is why we love football. This is why we love the game of football. It is not over until it is over.
Mercy, 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 mercy.
thank God for today. Thanks for joining. It's just for us to bond and socialize together. Have an amazing Christmas. Happy Christmas Day. For all our French supporters, that is your strength. We're back to come back again, of course, next World Cup. We celebrate with our entire team for their win. God bless you all. And for those that came for the first time, this Global Impact Church, whether your team won or not, Jesus is always winning. God bless you. See you. Congratulations to us all.
Hi guys, I'm back home and this is the longest day ever. So it was a long but very interesting day, right? It was fun, like it was fun watching the match and everything. At first I really wasn't supporting anybody because like I said, I had to watch match and stuff, but I'm really happy for Mercy that he won and all, and I'm happy to see you guys. I had a lot of that meat. I had a lot. I ate a lot. I was happy with myself. I even had some to take back home. I have small chops that I brought back home. So it was a very nice evening. Okay. I think this is like 8 p.m. and we just got back home, you guys. I'm tired.com. Longest day ever, you guys. Longest day ever. My tired is tired, you guys. I'm just going to freshen up, clean my face and all of that, and have something to eat, and I'll go and sleep. If you watched up to this point, thank you so much for watching. It does mean a lot to me. And until I see you in my next video tomorrow, stay fab and stay blessed. Bye.